In today's video, I'm going to be testing if there really is a difference in the final product, whether I use the RGB setting or the CMYK setting. So if you want to see if there actually is a difference, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family. I also have a website that is linked down below. There are sublimation templates, there's going to be sewing patterns, lots of different things, and I do have a membership for $10. I have two tiers, $10, $15, where I will be putting a course every single month for sublimation and sewing. The first course that is on there is for creating a custom little girl's outfit with cute little bell-bottom pants, a headband, and a shirt. January's class is going to be a bomber jacket. There will be adult sizing and kids. The sewing templates will be included for you, as well as step-by-step process. But if you don't want the membership, the classes are also available separate on the website. Just click the courses tab on the website. And let's just jump into this video. I printed out my two designs. I labeled on the back which one is which. So all that I'm going to use to test this are my two designs, some heat tape, butcher paper, and some polyester fabric. So I'm just going to take my fabric, put my paper down. I'm using A-Sub's sublimation paper for this. This one's going to be the RGB. And I'm going to just tape this down to my fabric. And then I'm putting this to the side, and I'm gonna do exactly the same for the CMYK. I'm not gonna lint roll or anything because I'm just testing this out. These are not actual projects that I'm gonna be keeping. So now I have these both prepped, and I'm gonna take them to the presser. Oh my gosh, to the heat press to see if there's a difference. The RGB one, and then I'm putting butcher paper on top. And I'm gonna press at 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna grab some heat gloves and I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm not even gonna look at it because I want to reveal it at the same time. Now I'm gonna grab the CMYK one, put some butcher paper on top, and I'm gonna press at the exact same time and temp and pressure, which is 385 for 60 seconds with medium pressure. Okay, I'm gonna move this one over as well. Let's see. I'm gonna take off the butcher paper and let's take them off. So here is the RGB. That's how my ink release was. And here is the CMYK. Okay, let's look at these. I honestly almost feel like the RGB is a bit better than the CMYK. Like they're very similar in colors, but you can see here, you can see these pinks. Let me bring you in a little closer so you can see. You can see this pink is much more vibrant than this one. You can see it in her cheeks. They're fairly similar, but I feel like these colors pop more than these colors. So here's the RGB again. And then here's the CMYK. So you tell me, do you see a difference? Because they're fairly similar. I just feel like the RGB is more vibrant than the CMYK. And let me know in the comments if you also think that, or if, because I'm not sure how the camera is picking it up in comparison to how I'm looking at them. Like even the cupcake, like they're fairly similar, but I just think these colors pop a little more. Maybe it's just me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Honestly, there's not a huge difference between the two. Let me know down below if you guys see a difference or not. But there are in certain areas where I feel like the RGB pops more than the CMYK ones. But let me know what you guys think. I honestly will probably keep printing with the RGB anyways. It's not a big difference. So everyone who always comes at me for doing the RGB, it didn't make a difference. It didn't make a huge difference. If anything, I feel like the RGB looks a little bit better, but not a huge difference. I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys have printed in both formats and if you've noticed a difference. If you like this video and you found it helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. My new uploading schedule is going to be once a week on Fridays. So every Friday there'll be a new video. But I will be over on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll have that in the description. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and go check out my website at sewpresscreate.com. It'll be in the description as well. Be on the lookout for the bomber jacket class that will be coming out in January, which by the time you're watching this video, it is January. It will be coming out towards the middle of January. So keep your eye out for that. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.